Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Minecraft stuck in building terrain. Right, so first of all, open up a Minecraft launcher here, go to installations, select Java Edition, and then you need to press new installation, then give it a name, and then select the latest release here, and then you need to change a few different things here. You need to go to more options here, and then you need to change your RAM. And first open up Task Manager, and then you need to go to performance. Then here you will see how much RAM do you have on your computer. I have 16 gigabytes. So what you need to do here, basically put 8 gigabytes if you have 16. If you have 4 gigabytes, leave it to 2. And if you have 8 gigabytes, then leave it to 4, right? But above 8 gigabytes, it will not be significant difference, right? So if you have 12, for example, then leave it to 6, and probably you get the point, and then create a new basically release. And after that, after you allocate more RAM to your installation, then you need to make sure that your Windows operating system and your Java drivers and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to do so, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to Windows Update and check for updates, and make sure to, if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU, depending on what GPU you're using, AMD or NVIDIA. There is two separate apps to that. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called GeForce Experience where I can go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for my GPU, there will be here and I can install it. Similar to Java, you need to search, just write configure Java here, and then you get this window, press update now, and update Java to the latest version. And if you don't have Java, you need to go to the browser, just write Java download, and then download for Windows or other here. Download and install it, and then you need to do other steps, right? So once you update your operating system, GPU drivers, and your Java drivers, then you need to go to storage, and then you need to delete temporary files here. So it will take you a couple of seconds to load up, and once it's loads up, then you need to here remove files from here. And after you do so, then you need to go to installed apps. Then you need to go to on search, look for Minecraft, and then press on the burger menu, advanced options here, and then press repair here. And once you do that, once it's repaired, then you need to go to game. So Java Edition, let's press play, and then I will show you what you need to do here for in-game settings if you're getting this error message here. So you need to install it, so it will take you a couple of seconds. So I will stop the video here. And in game, once your game loads up, then you need to go to options, then you need to go to video settings, make sure that render distance and simulation distance is on 6 chunks here, and up to do so, then make sure that entity shadows is off. And once you save these settings, then you need to go to resource packs, then make sure to select default here, right? And that should fix your problem. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.